Hey guys, I'm sitting with a customer of a Back Country, uh, Ken.
Yep.
Uh, would you mind sharing with us what you do in your spare time? What do you do for fun? What's your definition of recreation for Ken?
My definition of recreation is disconnecting from the city life and going out in the middle of nowhere away from people with just the people I want around me.
Yeah.
That's my definition of recreation.
You're not different. You're not different from very many people. So you own a Back Country. How long do you own it for?
I bought my Back Country from Technique Vehicle Outfitters here in Bend. What was it? March of 2023, actually. March 2023 is when I had it installed. I ordered it just shortly before. It arrived soon.
Yeah.
So I've owned it for about a little over a year now.
Thanks. And would you say, what is it about the camper that drew you to it? Because there's a lot of noise. In this industry, there's no shortage of choices of campers.
Yes.
What is it that drew you to the OEV brand?
Well, I think one of the biggest things that drew me to the brand is the material that it's made out of. I wanted something very, very durable. Nothing that's like a camp, like a RV style siding. Nothing like that. I wanted something that would keep myself, my family warm inside, and be comfortable. And that's what drew me to the OEV campers.
Has it lived up to your expectations?
100%. Not only for me, but everyone that has used it and everyone that's around that used it all the time.
Right on. Do you have any? If you could change one or more things on the Back Country, what would that be? Like an improvement, any kind of.
I think the only thing that I'd really want as far as improvement is the automatic raise.
Lift?
Automatic lift, I think, is the only thing that I would change because it has everything I want.
Yeah.
I think, now that I'm not like getting older, but
No,
I guess it's cool. I like it. I want it.
it makes a difference because if you want to add rooftop AC, you're
Yes.
going to be adding like 50, 60 pounds to it. Because I'm always telling people these manual lift roofs, you got to go up and you got to bring it back down.
Yes.
The last thing we wanted to see is somebody get hurt.
Yes.
Right. So, well, I'll let you in on a little secret. We are behind the scenes working on addressing that.
Okay.
It's not going to be on the 2025 model. It's more than likely going to be onto the 2026 model. But we got something in the works.
Okay.
So
is there a way to retrofit that into?
that's what we got to figure out and see if that's a possibility. We don't know at this point, but we're certainly going to look at it. Okay. So, because that'll be a lot of everybody have that question.
Yeah.
Right? So,
that's gonna make me so happy.
yeah. So what's new? What's on the horizon for Ken? Like with your camper, what are you running on?
So we have a Prospector XL,
Yeah.
2022,
Yeah.
and I just ordered a tray bed. Should
Nice.
arrive here in August. Oh, I think it actually did arrive, but scheduling, I think it's August is when we're gonna have it installed. So that's getting on the camp. That'll be on the truck here.
Yeah.
And then I also ordered the side boxes, so that'll help out a lot. That's
Oh.
one thing that I've been wanting to do.
That is
for
lights
quite
out
some
storage.
time. Yeah.
Tons of storage. You're gonna love that.
Yeah.
Well, cool. I appreciate you taking the time.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thanks
I
very much.
appreciate it.
I appreciate you as I appreciate all of our customers. It's so humbling when people spend their hard-earned dollars. It's hard to earn a dollar these days.
Yes.
And when people spend their money on our products, I'm speaking for myself, my business partner Mark Simla. We're truly humbled that people would do that. So thanks.
Oh, you're welcome. And I've done a ton of research on so many different slide-ins for a long time. I've told you so many times how many campers I've looked at, and this is still hands down the best. And I tell everyone that, and I'm not shy.
I'll do the plug. OEV, built to conquer, built to last.
Yep.